Cats not only have great night vision, they also can hear and smell better than we can. That's right. All of these senses help cats when they hunt or help cats discover fun things around them. The next thing we are going to learn about cats is they lick their coats to keep themselves clean. Isn't that interesting? They lick their coats to keep themselves clean.